Okay, so I'm getting the pedals in. Got the clutch in, brake pedal, steering wheel in. I need to find the inner parts of that horn button's just set in there until I find the parts that are supposed to go in there. Can't find my gas pedal. I went through a bunch of boxes and dug through these shelves, and I just cannot find it. It's somewhere in here. So I'm just gonna have to wait on the gas pedal and hope that I come across it as I'm working on this thing. Yeah, so I got a problem with the brake pedal though, because it has a lot of lateral movement. So I need to figure out a way to get this to stay up like this. So.
Wait, no, that was already.
Alright, you can draw of it. So here it is. This is how it sits on the post. And you can see how it's kind of angled on this side.
Dad, I'm making a tree.
Okay. What kind of tree?
A blue apple tree.
Apple tree?
Yeah, but the apples are blue.
Blue apples.
Yeah, blue apple tree. Hey, Dad, you can look.
Oh yeah. You digging a hole? Your
Yeah.
tractor? Your backhoe?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got the bumper off. I'm going to do some modifications to this. One of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to round the edges off. I think I want to get rid of this bump, and I'm going to get rid of these. And then we'll paint it and get it back on there. So let's get to it. Okay, so I got the edges roughly cut. I'll get the flap disc and make those nice and smooth and even. Hammered this down flat. Need to weld those up. And I got these patches to put in. It's been a while since I welded it. Let's see if I remember how to do it. And that bumper is almost done. Still need to hit it with some clear coat, but I'm going to wait till I paint the back bumper and do them both at the same time. It's not bolted in. I got a few other finishing touches I want to do to it, but for now, that'll work. It's looking pretty good, if you ask me.
Tumbleweed Garage.